Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're here, you might be feeling stuck trying to win over the girl of your dreams who just doesn't seem to feel the same way. Before we dive in, remember, everyone's unique, but I'm here to share some tried and true steps that might help you turn the situation around. Let's jump in. First things first, let's talk mindset. Understand that attraction can't be forced, nor is it instantaneous. It's a process that often involves a genuine connection. Here, the key is patience and respect. Step 1 is to accept the current situation. Acknowledge where you stand. If she's not into you right now, that's okay. This acceptance is crucial for building genuine interactions moving forward. Next, focus on becoming the best version of yourself. Self-improvement is attractive. Whether it's working out, picking up a new hobby, or honing a skill, these enhancements increase confidence. And confidence, well, it's magnetic. Step 2 is enhancing your social skills. Effective communication can open doors to friendship, which is foundational for deeper relationships. Practice listening, showing genuine interest, and engaging in conversations that matter. Remember, attraction can blossom in the soil of friendship. So if you haven't already, try building a solid friendship first. Share experiences, find common interests, and most importantly, be there during both the ups and downs. Emotional support builds trust and comfort. Step 3 is about showing authenticity. Be yourself. Pretending to be someone you're not is exhausting and ultimately unsustainable. Authenticity is refreshing and valued in a world where people often try to blend in. It's also important to show appreciation for her individuality. Recognizing her unique traits and appreciating them subtly can grab her attention. Compliments should be sincere and specific. "I admire how dedicated you are to your studies," means so much more than "you look nice." Now, let's talk about creating positive emotional experiences. Shared fun, laughter, and adventure build bonds. Whether it's going to a concert, taking a road trip, or simply trying out a new activity, create moments that will make her associate you with positivity. It's also crucial to respect her boundaries. If she's expressed disinterest, give her space. This not only shows maturity but respect for her feelings. Nobody enjoys feeling smothered or pressured. Step 4. Be consistent yet unpredictable. Show your interest consistently, but add an element of surprise now and then. This could be as simple as a spontaneous invitation to try a new cafe or writing a note of encouragement before an important event in her life. And finally, focus on your happiness. While pursuing someone you care about is wonderful, remember that your happiness should not depend solely on their responses. Cultivate other friendships, pursue goals, enjoy your hobbies, and build a life you love. If she'll ever like you back, she needs to see you living your best life, not just trying to prove you're good enough. Love yourself first. It's incredible how this shifts your interactions with her and everyone else. So there you have it. Remember, attraction is a complex and beautiful dance. If it doesn't turn out as you hoped, you've still grown personally. Keep being amazing, confident, and respectful. Please like and subscribe for more tips, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.